We all love taking photos with our phones. It's a great way to capture memorable moments in our daily lives. Because these photos are so precious, we often transfer them from our Android devices to our computers to back them up for safekeeping and easy access later. This also frees up storage space. So, how do you transfer photos from your Android device to your computer? This guide will show you effective ways to transfer photos from your Android device to your computer, whether you're using Windows 11, 10, or 8. Let's get started. If you want to quickly and easily transfer photos from all your albums, DroidKit is your first choice for managing your Android content. It supports all photos, including those in your camera roll, wallpapers downloaded from your browser, and app thumbnails. Transfer over 1,500 photos in under 3 minutes. Preview, select, and transfer the photos you want. Copy original images to your computer in a variety of supported formats, including .bmp, PNG, JPG, GIF, TIFF, and JPEG. Firstly, download DroidKit for free, then click on Data Manager option, then select Device Manager. Now connect your Android phone to your computer via a USB cable. Then select Export Content Mode. Now select all the photos you want to transfer at once. Then click the PC button in the top right corner to instantly transfer your photos from your Android phone to your computer. That's it, your photos are transferred. Firstly, enable Bluetooth on both devices. Now on Windows, open Settings, then Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices to turn on Bluetooth. Now on your Android phone, go to Settings, then Connections, and toggle the Bluetooth option to On. Now pair your Windows PC with your Android phone, then return to the Bluetooth and other devices settings on your PC. Then tap Add Bluetooth or other device, then select Bluetooth. Now select your Android device's name from the list and tap Connect. On your phone, tap Pair to pair your phone with your PC. To transfer pictures from your phone, tap Send or Receive Files. Then select Receive Files on your PC. In your phone's Photo Gallery app, select the photos you want to transfer. Tap the share icon and select Bluetooth from the list. Then select your PC's name from the list of available Bluetooth devices. Your PC will automatically begin downloading the photos. When the transfer is complete, select a location to save the photos. Then, tap OK and Done. Connect your phone to your Windows PC using a USB data cable. When a notification pops up asking for permission to access your phone's data, click Allow. Then click the Charge this device via USB or use USB for file transfer notification on your phone. Then select File Transfer. Now open this PC on your PC and find your connected phone in the Devices and Drives section. Then double-click your phone's name. Now navigate to the DCIM or Pictures folder to access your photos. Now just copy the photos you want to transfer and paste them anywhere on your PC's hard drive. The above are 3 methods to effectively transfer photos from Android to PC. Support Windows 11, 10, 8 and Mac. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.